Alrighty, it's I've got autofocus on or service time on the V8, and I've got a little helper. Diesel. I've got a little helper. Okay, I've got the car jacked up. Now I've just got to drain the oil, and while that's happening, I've got to try and remember how much oil to put back in it. Got all the old oil out, the old filter off. Just got to put the new one on, and then I can take the oil out of the can catch thing pan, the oil pan. Diesel. Come here. Now that under there. Take the old oil out of the pan. That's the one. Righty. That's all done. I just got to put the new oil in, and dog didn't drink any. That's good. I always need to put a towel there because I'm pretty uncoordinated and usually spill it, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully I won't. This bottle's not full, so. Sweet. Thought I would have spilt that. But I didn't. Guarantee I'll spill the next one. That one hasn't even been opened yet. Ugh. Alright, see how much of a mess I can make. Check that, there we go, I spilled it. How much we got? It's a litre and a bit over half. Hey, keep going, it's going to take a while I think. Fuck, there we go, spilling it like a motherfucker. And some more spillage. Just over 3 litres. I think that'll do. Just start it up. Get rid of this, don't want that getting caught in anything. Left the keys on my toolbox. Righty, I gotta be quick because my battery's dying. Righty. What do we got here? A little on the full side. Right, that'll have to do. I can't get it any better than that. Job's done. Awesome. That's on. Probably should top up the water, but I don't ever need to still with me. You'll be right. Alright, so that went pretty well, considering I had to stop a dog from drinking the draining oil. Quite chuffed. Dog's name is Diesel, by the way. Such a sweetheart. He's a champion, but he's currently eating a broom, and I need to convince him to stop. Do you want this? Good boy. 2 months old. He's cute. Okay, I guess that's the end of that. I suppose I just wanted to make a quick video to keep you updated with it. Stop eating the broom! Diesel. He likes the squeaky thing. So yes, that's that, and I'll see you later.